Oh, Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? Good job, Freedom! Good boy! What do you do when you see a pretty bird? Good job, Freedom. Alright, guys, that's Freedom whistling in the back. So I was whistling first, and he was copying me. Freedom, you're a good boy! Alright, guys, we're on our way to Alabama. Freedom, say goodbye. Bye, Freedom! Freedom, can you say hi or bye? Or hello? Hello! Hi, Freedom. Are you a pretty bird?
Hi, Freedom.
Oh my God, guys, he said hi, Freedom. Hi, Freedom! Hi, Freedom! Alright, that's it, guys. We're signing off live with Freedom saying hi to himself. Have a great day.